Let's now move to exercise number 2, a different type of questions. If x squared minus y squared equals 20, as long as we says x squared minus y squared equals 20, then we can easily factorize the x squared minus y squared to x plus y times x minus y, and this will result also to 20. It's also given here that x plus y is 10. The question wants us now to find the value of x minus y. 10 times what equals 20? Then x minus y is equal to 2. In exercise number 3, if the question says L minus m is 9 and L plus m is 15, what is the value of L squared minus m squared? We know that L minus m multiplied by L plus m, it's equal to L squared minus m squared. So if L minus m equals 9 and L plus m equals 15, then the result here is 135. So L squared minus m squared equals 135. In exercise number 4, we're going to see how can we use the factorization to help us in making our calculations easily. Use the factorization to get the value of the following easily. In number 1, how can we use the factorization to find the value of this kind of complicated mathematical operation? Yes, excellent. We're going to make two brackets, 25 plus 15 and 25 minus 15. 25 plus 15 is 40, multiplied by 25 minus 15, which is 10. I can easily multiply here that 40 multiplied by 10 is 400. Number 2 is the same idea. It's 1.6 plus 1.4 multiplied by 1.6 minus 1.4. We use the difference of two squares. So 1.6 plus 1.4 is 3 multiplied by 0.2, which is 0.6. Here in this one, I can easily make 1 is 1 part 2 because 1 part 2 is still 1. So here in this one, difference of two squares, it's 99 plus 1 and 99 minus 1. So it's 100 multiplied by 98. The result is 9,800. Last question, question 4. The 52 and the 48, I can get them so easy from 50 plus 2 and 50 minus 2. So in this one, it's 50 plus 2 multiplied by 50 minus 2. Difference of two squares. This means it's 50 squared minus 2 squared, which is 2,500 minus 4, which is 2,496. Let's now go to the evaluation part. Please, when you see the questions, pause the video, answer the questions. After that, play the video to check and to see that your answers are correct. If x squared minus a is x minus 3 times x plus 3, then what is the value of a? X minus 3 times x plus 3 will give you x squared minus 9. So the value of a is 9. Question 2. X squared plus L minus 4 equals x minus 2 times x plus 2. What is the value of L? X minus 2 times x plus 2 will result as x squared minus 4. So there is no space or no place for the L. So in this case, L equals 0. For question number 3, if x plus 2y equals 3 and x squared minus 4y squared equals 21, how can we find the value of x minus 2y? You can see that x squared minus 4y squared can be factored as x plus 2y times x minus 2y, which is equal to 21. If x plus 2y is 3, 3 times x minus 2y equals 21, then x minus 2y is 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Let's go to a factorization question. Question 1. Yes, excellent. I can hear you from my place here. We're going to take 2 as an HCF, so it's x squared minus 9. After that, we're going to factorize it as 2 brackets, x plus 3 and x minus 3. Question 2. X is a common factor. X squared minus 64 is what's left inside the bracket. Difference of 2 squares. This will be x plus 8 times x minus 8. Question 3. Half x squared minus 2. Half does not have a square root. 2 does not have a square root. We're going to take 2 outside as a common factor. Half divided by 2, it's 1 over 4 x squared. 2 divided by 2, it's 1. So difference of 2 squares, this is half x minus 1 and half x plus 1. Question 4. The first one has a square root of 4x squared, and the second one has a square root of 9. So we're going to make it as 2 brackets, 4x squared minus 9 times 4x squared plus 9. And this bracket as well can be simplified more as 2x plus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3, while the last bracket will keep it as it is. At this time, dear students, we came to the end of our session. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed the lesson with you. See you next session.